All right, so welcome back. You're still there on top of the Good Morning NAIJA. And we get some Ogbonge guests inside the building. We're going to discuss something where they're very, very, very important for everybody where they watch us. Because safety, it is very key. Whether in a house or you do, whether in a office you do, whether in a school, anywhere where people they gather, safety. Now, one of the things that we will need to put our mind into. I will don't carry two professionals where one of their desire, one of the things that they like, where they put their focus on and all their time. Now to discuss safety. But we go do the introduction. Chika, go introduction the company and the people that will come inside studio to come join us.
Hello, they always call me Chika. My name is
Luchi.
Hey. NAIJA cast Luchi.
Hey.
All right, welcome for you. We're just a Boston. Now still the Good Morning NAIJA show, and time don't reach for us to introduction our guests. Now these people they represent one joint body where they call the World Safety Organization. This organization done this since 1975, and it gets over 200 countries for inside. Some of the countries now Thailand, USA, Japan, Australia, and even Nigeria self follow for plenty of the countries we don't join body for inside this organization what they talk of. So they don't look and work at the whole world and don't come inside Nigeria and say we got to have our own body for inside Nigeria. And for inside 2012, now they officially land, build their own apartment, build their own office for inside Nigeria. And we get the director for inside our studio here. The director don't come outside today with him brother them, all of them, two of them will be officials for the organization. They don't come out today to come answer plenty questions with concern safety. The director, now Mr. Soji, and also in fellow official will be Mr. Maro. Now good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Now welcome to our studio.
Thank you
Good morning.
very much.
Wow.
All right, so make we just start set the ball rolling. You know, say a lot of people no say regulations they grant when it comes to safety. So what will be the world standard? Why would they talk about safety generally?
Okay. My people, now good morning. World standard for safety, there are many. They get many standards. For different countries, whether na US or na Nigeria or na Australia, or they get different standards. And because safety broad it big. Safety day inside everything when would they do? Even as we they sit down here, so safety join. You get the way you they sit down when wahala go come. So you get the way when you're not supposed to sit down. So for house safety day, standard day, for building standard day, for everything, for playground, standard follow join self. So that standard, according to the different country codes, 9 they apply the safety to make sure say everybody could make safety a way of life worldwide. You
know, say for NAIJA, let us just bring it to home. Because you know, say for inside this our obodo, we know they take anything serious. Especially workplace safety. I know many people where they do high risk job, like engineer, organizer, where they do this welder. And I don't see plenty. They know they wear gloves, they know they wear jacket, they know they wear elements.
Nothing.
Say them their own standard, they different.
Their standard not different too. Most times when you enter an organization, for the gates, and you go see safety first. But people not they take them into cognizance. They know they put that one first. Most times, na safety last. But one thing when they show, every person, before you even go work, safety now be the first thing when supposed to come your mind. The welder, in first, because if you not put safety first, in life they are at stake. So every person, those when they studio, those when they house, those when they school, every person get to get safety at the back of his mind.
If not, you know go come back home safely. Come meet in papa, in mama, in family, in children. Okay, enjoy life.
Okay. Yes. As your organization, also one of our motto now to make safety a way of life worldwide. How do they do one person at a time? What will be the action plan? What they do?
Okay, now thank you very much. The average statistic when they right now be say we fit get roughly say 1 in every 200 Nigerian 9 fit respond, 9 get that safety knowledge, and 9 they respond to emergency. 9 make casualty, people when they die, when something happen, things when they lost, when something happen, they plenty. So our vision, our motto now, making safety a way of life. The way we will take do am now, we want reduce that 1 in every 200 to 1 in every 3. If we look at our population for Nigeria, when it be 170 million. With that 1 in every 200, you know how many it be? Less than 1 million people for the whole country.
850,000.
850,000 to be specific. Now get this knowledge.
Wow.
So we want do am when we say about 56 million go get this knowledge at the end of 2025.
Wow.
That one a long time ago.
So at the end of 2025, your brother, your sister, if they travel, if something happen, 3 person wey pass, 1 person go know wetin go do to take help the person. You never reach accident scene when we say when accident happen, people will carry camera, they go to do like this, they go to do like this. People they ground, they bleed, blood they come out. Everybody they sympathize, but nobody fit do something specific because either they don't know or they fear.
But tell me, because this one are like omnibus something. It be like saying a BRT bus idea be this one.
Now,
so tell me, how you they localize them? How you they make us small? Because I know say accident scene safety. Some people don't know say if people get accident. First thing, you know if you move the person. Because you don't know whether if you move them, you go destroy more for your body. Make you know, all those things. All respiratory, CPR.
cardiopulmonary resuscitation, how we call them.
Person don't know. So how would they streamline them to make them easy to assimilate?
Okay. The program, the way we take structure them out, they say charity begin from home.
Yes.
If I small, I be 3 years, 4 years, the brain they catch well. If we begin they put safety for school, first aid, the way I take start, now Red Cross, 1991. Now me I take start safety, 1991. So if we put them like that for school, say safety day inside, whether follow join the curriculum or now by side, but everybody they do them for school.
Even club.
Or club nationwide. Imagine after 5 years, what do you think go happen? For primary school, secondary school, university, what go happen? We go achieve that thing with ease. It just be like say you put injection for somebody blood. What happen? The blood they move. Before long, it don't enter the body.
Yeah.
The thing when you want make it grow, go begin they grow. Now the strategy be that, and we don't start that one.
Okay.
Yes.
So apart from the university, primary school, and secondary school, where you call, it get other places when I get they do workshop. When they do training for even people say where feel no easily. Some people they will not go university.
Yes.
Some people they will not. Yes,
we
still need to learn all this kind of things. So if you now don't package that one, put that for one corner, or now don't they package and they give them better level.
In fact, make I answer that question. We they do training.
Okay.
We they do workshop. We they do sensitization. Part of the training we even dey Lagos. We they do training for where be the address again? Number 12 Kudeti Street for Ikeja. Training day when we say people when no get this knowledge, even when you need them for work, aside from general knowledge for daily living, you need them for daily living. You need them for work when we say they advance their life going forward. Whether they get WASCO, they go ONDO, they get university, they no go different one day for them.
How many times when they do them? Now monthly, yearly.
For Lagos, when would they so? Now monthly. The next one they come up next month. When would they so? 7th and 8th for that same address. If they go our website, they go see the schedule. If they go our Facebook page, they go see the schedule. Everything they there.
You know, say this one they very important because me are they very interested in the one way they talk about say you they carry them go school start time. I remember the time when we did small that they teach us road safety rules.
Yes.
That they teach us all those little things them.
Yeah. What you go do if you want cross
yes,
road?
if you want cross road, hold each other, look right again.
Those kind
you know,
of
all those things now, what that they do. She for schools, now they do partnership with our schools because if they know, we know they see them, their parents don't go even get the ginger
to one make their pikin participate.
Because even for school, you want include that Mr. Curriculum, make they use a train or una get different departments. Make every school get safety department. Or make every office get safety department because so that they go fit they propagate this your gospel.
Right now, any school where we enter, first we start with the sensitization. Afterwards, we institute a safety club to continue the process. At every point, we still dey go back to the school. Because safety not the finish.
Yes.
In fact, to add to what they do, we don't even meet with Lagos State Safety Commission. They do plenty work for Lagos State. We don't meet with them, talk with them. They agree with the kind of things when we want to do also. So they say, okay, they don't also achieve many things. So they need people when go come together. Everybody go feel make the two hand go feel clean when both, you know, wash the hand clean. So we they work with them also to expand and spread this thing what we get for mind to do so that in that time when we talk 2025, we don't achieve this thing plus many other stakeholders join.
Wow. You go just look where they look men wey sabi wetin that they do. It could just be like say time no day at all. All right, so before una go, make you just give our people, like say you wake up for morning. Just give us 1, 2, 3 things where you think say you go do to make yourself day safety conscious that day.
Maybe 2 from each of una.
Okay,
all right. First of all, your health is very important. So it is important to exercise. Drink a lot of water. It detoxify.
You clean your body.
All the dirty from body. All those ones are part of safety also. Because our curriculum includes health, safety, environment. So everything when they part of that now to make your life continue.
You don't hear that one. Exercise, drink water.
In fact, if I look you come out, you wake up, you go office. If you no put safety measures in place, take safety measures for your house, you feel come back to house, you no go meet house. Like fire, they burn for everywhere. So you go need to dey sure say that house where I dey, my fuse for meter, when NEPA, BPAC they do, which kind fuse they now make fuse have been our original one. That's why they go say when they bring light, they go say they say fire. Now that fuse now bad. The cable when it run through your house when it supply light, that if it be make, if it don't corrode, it don't rust. When we say if that surge come, it no go feel withstand them. Spark go come. The next thing, it go enter combustible material. It go burn. It go come house. You know, put those things off.
Myself, I know that one. Say when you they come up for house for money, make sure say every appliance you don't switch them off. In fact, I guess somebody will go just switch off the entire.
Change over.
Go just off them. But for women, that thing they hold us because of our freezer.
Yes.
But thank you very much, gentlemen. Say you can share with us. I know say from time to time we go see they get you so that you go feel they give our people some information. Even cover some of your seminars so that people go learn 1 or 2 things.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, so now here we go back. Small break. When we come back, we still get plenty things for you on top of the Good Morning NAIJA show. No waka go anywhere. We dey come back.